Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel where we provide useful spiritual insights to help you navigate your twin flame journey. The twin flame journey is one of the most transformative and challenging experiences in the realm of spiritual connection. At its core, it is not just about romantic union, but about profound soul growth. When twin flames separate, the pain can feel unbearable, leaving one or both individuals questioning the path forward. Yet, the energy that connects twin flames is not severed during separation. It remains alive, dynamic, and deeply intertwined. This energy is your most powerful tool for not only personal growth, but also for reuniting with your twin flame when the time is right. Understanding and harnessing your twin flame energy is essential in the journey to reunion. This energy exists on both the individual and shared levels. Individually, it is a reflection of your higher self, the purest essence of who you are. Shared, it becomes a frequency of unconditional love, healing, and unity. To bring your twin flame back, the key lies not in chasing them or trying to control external circumstances, but in mastering this sacred energy. In this video, we will reveal how you can align with your twin flame energy, raise its vibration, and use it as a beacon to draw your twin flame back into your life. It is a journey of inner transformation that mirrors outwardly, creating a magnetic pull that is irresistible to your twin flame. By the end, you will understand the steps you can take to awaken this powerful force within and channel it toward reunion. Let's start. Number 1. Embrace self-healing as a foundation. The twin flame journey begins with self-healing because the connection between twin flames is deeply reflective. Every unresolved wound, every shadow within, is magnified through the bond, making self-healing not just important, but essential. Twin flame separation is not arbitrary. It often serves as a wake-up call, illuminating the inner blocks and imbalances that hinder alignment. These wounds could stem from various sources. Perhaps a childhood marked by neglect, relationships that left scars, or even karmic cycles from past lives that still linger in your energetic blueprint. The process of self-healing begins with awareness. It is vital to create space for introspection, allowing yourself to observe the emotions triggered by the separation. Feelings like abandonment, unworthiness, or resentment are not just reactions. They are indicators pointing to areas within you that seek resolution. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment, for they are messengers guiding you to deeper truths about yourself. To facilitate this healing, adopt practices that connect you to your inner self. Meditation, for example, serves as a sanctuary where you can quiet the mind and connect with the soul's wisdom. Visualize the pain leaving your body, replaced by a sense of peace and love. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write freely about your emotions, fears, and hopes. As the words flow, patterns and insights will emerge, offering clarity about what requires healing. Energy healing modalities such as Reiki, sound therapy, or chakra balancing can also assist in clearing energetic blocks. For instance, focusing on your heart chakra can help release emotional pain and foster forgiveness, both for yourself and others. Each step in your healing process lightens your energy field, allowing you to vibrate at a higher frequency. This shift doesn't just benefit you. It creates a ripple effect that influences your twin flame energetically, encouraging their own healing process. Self-healing isn't about striving for perfection. It's about cultivating inner peace and acceptance. As you heal, you reconnect with your innate wholeness, realizing that you are complete within yourself. This realization transforms your energy, making it magnetic to love and unity. The higher your vibration, the more aligned you become with the frequency of unconditional love, a frequency that bridges the energetic gap between you and your twin flame. This alignment is the foundation upon which reunion becomes possible. Number 2, align with your authentic self. The twin flame connection is, at its core, a mirror. Your twin reflects not only your strengths, but also your unhealed wounds and unrealized potential. To use this connection to its fullest, you must step into alignment with your authentic self, the truest expression of who you are, stripped of pretense and societal conditioning. Authenticity begins with self-discovery. Ask yourself, who am I beyond the roles I play in life? What lights up my soul? Often, the pain of separation clouds these answers, as people become consumed by the longing for their twin flame. but this longing is a reminder to turn inward and reconnect with the unique aspects of your being. It is an invitation to embrace your individuality and recognize your inherent worth outside the connection. Take active steps to nurture your passions and explore what resonates with your spirit. Engage in activities that make you feel alive, whether it's creating art, immersing yourself in nature, or deepening your spiritual practice. These pursuits not only bring you joy, but also help you uncover the essence of your authentic self. At the same time, practice self-compassion. Acknowledge your imperfections and see them as stepping stones on your journey, rather than barriers to your growth. Authenticity is magnetic. When you align with your true self, you emit an energy of confidence, self-worth, and unconditional love. This energy acts as a beacon, signaling to your twin flame that you are ready for a relationship rooted in mutual respect and authenticity. It also elevates your vibrational frequency, aligning you with a reality where reunion becomes not just possible, but inevitable. By stepping into your authentic self, you embody the qualities your twin flame mirrors. This alignment creates harmony within you and, in turn, strengthens the energetic connection between you and your twin. It is through this alignment that you prepare not just for reunion, but for a union that reflects the highest expression of love. Number 3, strengthen the energetic bond. Even in physical separation, the bond between twin flames is unbreakable, existing as a constant flow of energy that connects both souls. This energetic connection is not confined by time or space, making it a powerful tool for fostering reunion. Strengthening this bond requires intentional practices that deepen your connection on a soul level. Visualization is one of the most effective ways to nurture the bond. In a quiet, meditative state, imagine your twin flame's energy as a radiant light, a light that is uniquely theirs, warm and vibrant. Visualize your own light merging with theirs, creating a powerful bridge of love and harmony between you. Focus on sending them feelings of positivity, healing, and unconditional love without attaching any expectations. This act of giving, free from demands, strengthens the energetic tie and fosters mutual healing. Telepathic communication is another profound way to connect. Twin flames often share a natural telepathic link where thoughts, emotions, and even unspoken messages can be exchanged. Use this connection to express love, forgiveness, and encouragement. Sit in a meditative state, envision your twin flame's presence, and mentally communicate your message. Trust that, on a soul level, they will receive it, even if they are not consciously aware. Consistency in these practices is essential. Make it a daily ritual to connect with your twin flame energetically, as this reinforces the bond and keeps the flow of love and healing alive. Over time, you may notice signs of this connection strengthening, perhaps through vivid dreams, synchronicities, or a deep sense of their presence. This energetic bond is more than just a means of connection. It is a guiding force that transcends physical separation. It acts as a compass, leading both you and your twin flame toward alignment and eventual reunion. By nurturing this bond, you create a foundation of trust, love, and spiritual unity that paves the way for your journey together. Number 4, release attachment and surrender. The twin flame journey often requires a profound act of surrender, letting go of the need to control outcomes and trusting in the divine timing of your reunion. This is one of the most challenging yet transformative aspects of the journey, as it calls for deep faith and detachment from expectations. Attachment arises when you focus on when and how reunion will happen, creating resistance in the flow of energy. This resistance can block the very progress you seek, as it stems from fear and a lack of trust. Surrendering, on the other hand, allows the energy to flow freely, aligning you with the natural rhythms of the universe. To surrender does not mean giving up on your twin flame or the connection. It means releasing the need to micromanage the process and trusting that everything is unfolding as it should. This trust is rooted in the understanding that separation is not a punishment, but a phase of growth. Both you and your twin flame are being prepared for a union that is not just loving, but also balanced and sustainable. Cultivate this surrender by grounding yourself in the present moment. Engage in mindfulness practices that keep you centered, such as breathwork, meditation, or simply spending time in nature. Gratitude is another powerful tool, By focusing on the blessings and lessons of your journey, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. Each moment of gratitude reinforces your trust in the divine plan, creating a sense of peace and acceptance. When you release attachment, you liberate yourself from the weight of expectations and allow the universe to work its magic. This act of surrender creates a space where reunion can occur naturally, in the most harmonious and divinely aligned way. It is a testament to your faith in the connection and in the transformative power of love. Number 5. Radiate unconditional love. Unconditional love is the very essence of the twin flame journey, a sacred, boundless force that transcends the limitations of the ego, expectations, and circumstances. It is not tethered to actions, words, or even physical presence. Instead, it exists as a reflection of the divine love that resides within your soul. When you embody and radiate this energy, it becomes the most transformative and magnetic force in your twin flame connection, creating a powerful pathway for reunion. To radiate unconditional love, begin with yourself. This is a vital step often overlooked, but it forms the foundation for extending love outward. Self-love is not indulgent or selfish. It is the purest act of self-recognition and self-respect. Start by embracing yourself fully, including your perceived flaws, mistakes, and vulnerabilities. Understand that you are a soul on a journey of growth, and every aspect of your being is worthy of love. Treat yourself with kindness in your thoughts, words, and actions. Engage in practices that nourish your body, mind, and spirit, such as meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. Self-love also involves honoring your needs and boundaries. Recognize when you need rest, space, or time for introspection, and give yourself permission to prioritize these needs. When you show yourself compassion, you begin to heal the inner wounds that may have been amplified during your separation from your twin flame. As you fill your own cup with love and care, you create an overflow of positive energy, which naturally extends to your twin flame and the world around you. Once you have nurtured self-love, extend this energy to your twin flame. Understand that unconditional love does not depend on how your twin flame has acted or whether they are physically present in your life. It transcends any pain, misunderstandings, or unmet expectations that may have arisen during separation. Instead of focusing on what went wrong or how you wish things could be different, shift your attention to the soul-level connection you share, a bond that exists beyond the physical plane. A powerful way to express unconditional love toward your twin flame is through visualization. In a calm, meditative state, imagine your twin flame surrounded by a soft, golden light, a light that represents healing, peace, and love. As you visualize this, mentally send them blessings of warmth and encouragement, affirming their growth and happiness, regardless of where they are in their journey. This act of love is not about pushing them toward reunion, but about holding space for their healing and evolution. Unconditional love is a magnetic force, but its power lies in its purity. It does not demand reciprocation or impose conditions. It simply is. When you radiate this energy, you vibrate at a higher frequency that aligns with the essence of your twin flame connection. This frequency becomes a beacon, silently calling your twin flame back to the shared energetic field of love and unity. Moreover, radiating unconditional love illuminates the path to reunion by dissolving energetic barriers. It encourages mutual healing, fosters forgiveness, and creates an environment of acceptance that invites your twin flame to return without fear or resistance. In embodying this love, you not only transform your connection, but also elevate your entire experience of life, becoming a source of light and inspiration for yourself, your twin flame, and the world around you. Number 6. Trust the divine plan. The twin flame journey is not linear. It is a sacred dance orchestrated by the universe. Trusting the divine plan is the final and perhaps most challenging step in using your twin flame energy. It requires faith, patience, and an unwavering belief in the power of love. Understand that every twist and turn in your journey serves a higher purpose. The lessons you learn during separation are not only for your growth, but also for the growth of your twin flame. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing and circumstances for your reunion. Stay open to signs and synchronicities that confirm you are on the right path. These may come in the form of repeated numbers, dreams, or encounters that remind you of your twin flame. Let these signs be a source of encouragement and reassurance. Ultimately, trusting the divine plan is about surrendering to the flow of life and embracing the journey with an open heart. When you align with this trust, your twin flame energy becomes a harmonious force that naturally guides you towards reunion. As you embark on the journey of twin flame reunion, remember that it is not a path of force, but one of grace. The process requires deep inner transformation, where every challenge, every moment of separation is designed not to test you, but to refine you. The reunion you seek with your twin flame is not just a coming together of two souls, but a merging of two energies that have undergone intense growth. It is a reunion of equals, where each individual has embraced their highest potential, healed their wounds, and fully embodied their true essence. Through this journey, you are being shaped into a version of yourself that is ready to harmonize with your twin flame's energy. This transformation does not happen overnight. It is a gradual, sometimes painstaking process where the layers of fear, doubt, and old patterns are slowly shed, revealing the radiant core of who you are. The more you trust in the unfolding of this process, the more you allow the love that is inherent in the twin flame bond to flow freely without resistance. What is often overlooked is that the true magic of twin flame reunion is not necessarily in the external manifestation of your twin coming back to you. It is in the internal shifts you experience, shifts that align you with a higher vibration of love and self-awareness. As you work with your twin flame energy, it is less about attracting them back in a literal sense and more about becoming the embodiment of love, peace, and fulfillment that naturally resonates with their soul. This vibration calls them home, but more importantly, it allows both of you to step into a relationship that is grounded in the truest form of love. The beauty of this journey is that the connection between twin flames is never truly lost. Even when physical separation seems to stretch on indefinitely, the energy that binds you both is eternal. Every effort you make toward healing, self-love, and spiritual growth strengthens that connection. What may seem like a long period of separation is actually a time of preparation, a sacred space in which both individuals can align with their true purpose and reach a place of inner peace. It is important to approach this journey with patience, compassion, and self-awareness. There may be moments of frustration, moments where the distance between you and your twin flame feels insurmountable. But remember that this distance is an illusion. It is a product of the mind's desire for control, a resistance to the natural ebb and flow of life. By embracing the flow, by trusting that everything is unfolding as it should, you allow yourself to be swept along by the current of divine timing. In the end, the reunion of twin flames is about becoming whole within yourself. The love that you seek from your twin flame is already present within you. It has always been there. Your twin flame is simply the mirror that reflects your soul's deepest longing for connection. By aligning with your own divine energy, you invite your twin flame to meet you at this higher frequency. When this occurs, reunion is not just a possibility, it is an inevitability. The reunion of twin flames is never about one person winning the other over, nor is it about proving something or fixing anything. It is about the sacred union of two souls who have walked separate paths, but who are destined to come together at the perfect moment. It is about the divine dance of love that is as old as time and as new as the future that awaits. So let the journey unfold as it will, knowing that the energy you cultivate within yourself, the love you send out into the universe, and the trust you place in the divine plan will guide you back to each other when the time is right. Your twin flame is not separate from you in spirit. They are already with you, always. Trust in the power of that connection and allow it to lead you home.